Good morning, children. I was doing Swami Vivekananda, that is from English for fifth standard. So already I have concluded the lesson. I have already completed the lesson. I hope you would have all understood. If there are any doubt, you can ask me. So I would like to continue again with your exercises. That is, I would like to discuss the question answers with you. Are you ready, children? Please take out your pencil. I would like to discuss the exercises. Please underline and write the answers. So you have that is Swami, first main of page number 4. Choose the most appropriate answer. So there are 4 answers and there is a question. You have to tick the answer for that. Swami Vivekananda established the Belur Mutt. So what is the answer for this question? That is B. Tick the B for this. Spread the principle of Sri Rama Krishna Paramahamsa. He wanted to spread the principle of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Okay, children. Next, we'll go for second one. Swami Vivekananda acquired the knowledge of human values. What is the answer for this? Did he acquire from his parents, through his spiritual experience, visiting countries, all the above? What is the answer for this? Okay, for this the answer is through his spiritual experience. Through his spiritual experience. Okay, next we'll move on for third one. Narendra was born on, when he was born, I told, January 12th, 1863. 1863. When he was born, January, when was he born? January 12th, 1863. January 12th, 1863. That was the third answer. Next, the fourth one. The audience in the Parliament of Religion, that is, applauded Swami's speech because he, what did he tell? How did he start to speak? He addressed them as sisters and brothers of America. He addressed them as what? Sisters and brothers of America. So next we'll move on for say whether the following statements are true or false. First one, Swami Vivekananda was a wandering monk because he wanted to spread Hinduism. Did he wanted to spread Hinduism? No. So it is false. The audience in the Parliament of Religion did not expect the speech of Swami Vivekananda. Is it? No. Even this is what? False. Next, third one. Swami Vivekananda worked for universal brotherhood. Yes, he wanted all the people to be very good. Everyone, he wanted all the people to live as brothers and brothers and sisters. True. Next, fourth one. The word of Narendra's mother made him become a wandering monk. Is it true? No, this is false. Swami Vivekananda went to Chicago as a political leader. No, he did not go as a political leader. So, this is false. Next, sixth one. The Belur Mutt was established before Swami Vivekananda went to Chicago. No. No. Is it true or false? Is it true? No, this is not true. It is false. After coming back from Chicago, he established what? What did he establish? He established Belur Mutt. Okay, turn to your page number next 6. So I am going to discuss about the question answers today. Okay, children, shall we start? Okay. The first one, how is India described by the writer? So, how is India? I told India is described by the writers as a land of many religions and culture. People here take both pleasure and pain alike. So, India is a, I told, country of many religions and culture. So, people here take both. They are feeling happy and at the time they have pain alike. Did you understand, children? How is India described by the writer? Next, we'll move on for the second one. What kind of a coachman did Narendra's mother want him to become? What did he tell? She gave an example of whom? She gave an example of Krishna and Arjuna. She wanted his son to become like whom? Krishna, who gave what? Who gave training to Arjuna? Who taught to Arjuna. So she wanted to be his son like Krishna. Did you understand, children? Okay, shall we move on for third one? Okay, why did Narendra want to be a coachman? Why did he want to become a coachman? Because he felt that it is nice to drive a coach, because he was very young, he did not know what to do. So he told his mother, it is very nice to drive a coach. So Narendra wanted to become a coachman as he felt that it is nice to drive as a coach. Okay, did you understand till here, children? Third one. Okay, next we'll move on for the fourth one. Why was Narendra named Vishweshwara? As I told you, Narendra was named Vishweshwara because his parents considered the child as the boon of God Vishweshwara Shiva, because he was the gift from God, which Vishweshwara Shiva. Narendra was named Vishweshwara because his parents considered the child as the boon, means gift of God, gift of God. So they named him Vishweshwara, which was the name of God Shiva, which was the name of God Shiva. Okay, children, shall we move on for fifth one? Okay. Okay, what is the fifth one question? Why was Narendra considered a wandering monk? So I told you he traveled to many places as a wandering monk. Why did he go as a wandering monk? So Narendra was considered as a wandering monk as he traveled all the places in order to study the minds of the people, because minds of the people, as I told you, he wanted to help the poor and needy people. He wanted to bring happiness in their life. He wanted to bring what? Happiness in their life. He also traveled to learn truth and to more know about spirituality. So he traveled because even he was searching God. He wanted to know more about God. By knowing the people, he thought that by seeing their sufferings or helping the people, he could he could feel the God. So he went as a wandering monk. So next one, children, are you able to understand? Shall I move on? Next, for sixth one is, what kind of education did Narendra advocated? Narendra advocated the kind of education that make a man complete human being. So he advocated for everyone. He told for everyone that a man, if the person are getting educated, he should, after education, he should become a that complete what? He should become a good person, a good human being. He told what kind of education that make a person complete human being. When you take a education, you should become a complete human being through education. This is the way for being a good person. Education will change a man from bad to a good person. Okay, children, did you understand? Shall I move on for next? Seventh one, what made the audience in the Parliament of Religion gave a thunder applause to Narendra? So I told you they started to clap loudly, as it felt as it was a thundering. Thundering means when the rain, when before the rain come, you can see in the sky the thunder. Same, it was like that. So they started to clap loudly. So the audience in the Parliament of Religious gave a thunderous applause when he addressed them. What did he tell? Sisters and brothers of America. Sisters and brothers of America. Children, are you able to understand? Shall I move on for next one? Okay. Just I am discussing the question answers. I'll be sending the notes for you. You can write in your classwork. Okay. Shall we move on, children? Okay. Eighth one. Did Narendra believe in superstition? Superstition. Did he believe? No. I told you he did not believe in religion at all. So he was not a what? He did not believe in superstition. He did not believe in superstition. So next, this is an extra question. So who were the father and mother of Swami Vivekananda? I told what was his father name? Vishwanatha Datta and Bhuvaneshwari Devi were the father and were the parents of Swami Vivekananda. Children, did you understand? I hope you would have understood. Please underline the difficult words and please be reading this chapter again and again. If you be reading, it will be very easy for you to understand well. I'll be sending you notes and classwork and notes in the WhatsApp. Thank you, children.